Hello! Just wanted to show you this bracelet. It's so adorable. This is a vintage style bangle. Available now at twistbydesign.com. Do yourself a favor, run over and get it. Go pick it up for yourself. Go pick it up for somebody. Don't just leave it sitting there. It's far too precious. twistbydesign.com. Ah, look at it. Also available, twistbydesign.com. Flat black, copper glass beads. Do yourself a favor, go get it. Go get it. I have 2 of these available. The holidays are coming. I believe this could be a nice unisex bangle for anyone with a little bit of sass and a little bit of taste. Go get it. twistbydesign.com. I made this one just for you.